What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to more trades. Okay, this is going to be a quick update on Ethereum. Ethereum is in an inverse head and shoulders. I hope you could see that. We have this over here. Yeah, we have that over here. This is your left shoulder, your head, and your right shoulder. The target for this would be the length of this head to the breakout point. I measured it earlier. It could take you all the way to the 2005 region, and if we go that high, then we would just be possibly coming up to recover this liquidity over here, and possibly all the way high to here, to 2023, and to that wick. But remember, this pattern is so obvious, and a lot of times when things are obvious, they don't play out. If we invalidate this point 1878, then we'll be invalidating the right shoulder and we'll be coming down. Now, if we start losing the POC at 1867, then that will tell us we might most probably come down to the 1796, the value area low. But of course, we have this level that is important, the 1850 zone. At the moment, if we took a retracement level from this high to the low, you can see that we're hitting the 0.786 almost perfectly, and we hit that 1914 today almost perfectly, just 50 cents off. We hit 1914 and 53 cents. It's a significant level, obviously, and if we come up to the 2005, we'll just be going all the way up. We'll be exceeding the 1.618, but it's still possible in my opinion. But this pattern is so obvious. It's an inverse head and shoulders, preferably if it's at the lows, but it could still play out. You could look at it inverse head and shoulders. You could look at it as a double top. You could look at a micro double top over here. So be prepared. I think in the next 7 hours, we're going to see 6 to 7 hours. We'll see some nice volatility, spike up, spike down, then a continuation of the move. Tomorrow is the first day of the trading week. Within the next few hours, Sydney market, then followed by Tokyo and Hong Kong, will be opened. Looking at the smaller time frames and looking at our EMAs, where we're standing with our EMAs, we are below the 50 EMA. This will usually be a sell signal when the 5 and 13 cross and you fall below it and you retrace. But the problem with this move down, we came right to the psychological high and the 200 EMA, and we got a bounce. Now, if you start violating the 1895, which is the 200 EMA, then that could bring us to lower targets. Remember, I told you a while back that 1914 and 1666 are the most important targets for me in this chart for the time being only. And we hit that 1914 several times. You could see over here, obviously we spiked up, and then we came here, we spiked slightly, and then we have this today. That's a third touch. Could this be the rejection that takes us down, or could this be the third retest and weakening of that level by absorbing the liquidity and then ripping it up to the upside? All right, hope you liked it. If you did, smash the likes and join the free Discord, subscribe to the channel, hit your notifications, and I'll see you on the next one.